crazy Chevy 210. And look at it, it comes straight out of Canby. Nice. Oregon. It is a wonderful piece of machinery that was originally built in 1956 by the Chevy Corporation. Or was it just a business then? Everything is nice. There's a few wear and tears still, but you know, sometimes you just overlook that if it's still really, really good. If you don't like it, you keep looking till you find that perfect piece. Of course, the cute little mirrors that they all had. Until next episode of Willis Talk, stay tuned for more.